There's a beautiful feeling of trust that is beginning to arise for you, dear Libra. And I say it's beautiful because when you are in that space in your life where you feel that you can trust, that's safety for you. And safety for you means, especially as Libra, that you are in balance again. And so this beautiful feeling of safety is beginning to rise for you. There are certain things that go on in your life that keep showing you that you can trust. And it's not necessarily that you're trusting the world and, leaving yourself vulnerable in a big wide world. It's not about that. It's more that you're beginning to trust the way that your life is showing up. You're beginning to trust the little details that you would have once questioned and wondered why things show up as they do. And that was from lack of trust. So this trust is beginning to rise to the surface. Give it some breathing room and allow yourself to keep connecting to this trust.